Why Francisco's Automotive? Because he's been working on Audi since 1976. You have a problem with an Audi and you live in the city of Irvine, give us a call, 714-375-2661. Any questions you have on Audi? We've been working on Audi since 1976. Well, if you have an electrical problem, an air conditioning problem, you can't just go to anybody that works on car. Audi is a breed of its own. They're way ahead of technology. If you know how to work on them, they're easy to fix. You have an electrical problem, air conditioning problem, brake problem, any problem you have, and you live in the city of Irvine, they're right next door. You come and see me, Francisco, 7662 Slater Avenue in Huntington Beach, between Beach Boulevard and Gothard, 714-375-2661. Call me with any of your automotive questions. You have your car in another shop, you want to know, you want some advice, anything you need, automotive-wise, especially if you need help with an Audi, 714-375-2661. Thank you.